Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about demonstrative pronouns, this and that. And did you know? This is used to point something close and that is used to point something a little far away. Look at the picture and read the sentences. This is a van and that is an aeroplane. This is an air balloon and that is a crow. This is a car and that is a bird. This is a sofa and that is a clock. This is a boat and that is a ship. This is a duck and that is a monkey. I hope you guys love reading these sentences. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.